Volume versus margin. Yes, you can make $10,000 in one night on Airbnb if you had it priced that way. You could also make $1,000 a night on 10 nights. Now, you come out to the same amount of profit at the end of the day. The question is how do you maximize your profit by utilizing both, right? So here's how you should approach volume and margin as an Airbnb host. If you have full availability on your calendar, go for margin on your first bookings. So you max out your prices to what you think the market can hold. And everything has a going rate. Like a one bedroom that has 4 people in it with these types of amenities, this type of furniture, this quality of photo, there will be a kind of an average rate. Now that price has elasticity. At times of high demand, those prices will go up. At times of low demand, the prices will go down. You're kind of bound within the confines of your competitive market and the price that gets set. Now, if you can outsell everybody else, yeah, maybe you can get a better rate. And if you can sell better than people in your descriptions and your photos, you deserve more money than everybody else. So ask for your premium when your schedule is completely open. Go for margin. Now, after your margin bookings are done, you'll notice that you have days in between that aren't filled up. And now you want this volume in order to make more money. So now you're going to start to negotiate prices on everything in between. So you got your margin when you had the most availability, and then you lower your prices to accrue your volume and scoop up the final days in your calendar. That's the perfect way to balance volume and margin.